This is by far one of the best Glocks out right now. Now, what is this? This is the Glock 19X. Now, I did change my slide out, put a ported barrel on there, got slide cuts. I did change out my slide lock. This is the Keg Works slide release because I was having problems with, prematurely locking back my slide in the middle of my shot. So, Glock 19X. Let's do a mag dump. This is why I don't like Glock. So, I upgraded to the Keg Works slide release, and I ain't had a problem with it since. Now, up top, we got the Gideon Omega. This is the SRO killer. Now, I'm not going to point the gun at me, but the glass on this thing is crazy. You can't really see it right. Oh, yes, you can. But sun out right now, I can see it with my eyes, but the camera is not picking that up. I do have to get suppressor high sights. Not really worried about that right now because I don't keep this slide on here. I actually got my I actually still got the stock slide. I just didn't want to send it off to get cut because I'd rather just buy another slide, but I got some goon tape on there. Now, I normally wrap the goon tape around the whole thing, but I just wanted to feel this out, and this actually feels much better. It feel like a little groove. I got the TLR1 HL on there. This is the perfect light for this gun. I don't know why it feels so good. I do got a 19 Gen 4 on me with the TLR7 on it. Now, these guns feel totally different. I know they both are Glock 19. This is a Glock 19X. This is a Glock 19 Gen 4. They feel completely different in my hands. I don't know. I took the grooves off of this one just to try to make it feel like this one, but it still don't feel like that. We got the 17 frame, 19 slide, and you really can't beat it for the price. I know they came out with the 19X MOS. That was pointless because you could just buy all of that. I don't need a threaded barrel. I don't have a use for it unless I want to throw a comp on there or a silencer. I don't have a silencer. I do plan on buying a comp for this one or my 19 Gen 4, but this is pretty dope, bro. I really just came out here to make a video so I can get all this, this POV outside because I just got a new camera mount. So this is what I'm making this video for. I'm in my backyard, and I want to walk back. I don't want to walk back there. Should I walk back there? Nah. I was gonna walk back there, but I don't feel like it. I am gonna cut that when it get hot outside. It's pretty chilly out here right now. I didn't cut the front yard. I'm not cutting the back. I was gonna bring the riding lawnmower out here, but I'm not doing it today. Look at this. I'm not cutting all this shit. Look at all that. Back to the gun though. Now, let's talk about the sliding barrel. The slide is from AIM Surplus. The barrel is from AIM Surplus. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it was not expensive. Now, I did have to break it in. When I first got it, I was having major problems with it. First range trip went to the ground. Second range trip went perfectly. I didn't record my third range trip because I just went like to just get a peace of mind. I didn't want to take no cameras out, but I am gonna take this out again. It's been running flawlessly. It's been doing what it need to do, but I still don't want to EDC this. Now, I did EDC this yesterday, just because I was doing a quick store run, but I actually got a little trust in it, just a little bit. But I wouldn't carry this every day out the week until I get like at least 5,000 rounds through it. But if you ain't got you a Glock 19X, bro, please go get you a 19X. I promise you, you won't regret it. It's better than the M&P. It's better than the SIG. It's better than the Echelon. It's better than a lot of things that people call Glock killers. Now, they do got a Glock 45. That's like the black version of the 19X. I didn't want the black version of the 19X. I know my boy got a Glock 45, but I wanted this. This is pretty dope. You can't beat it. Now, I just wanted to come out here and give y'all this POV little vibe, or show y'all the gun outside. If you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're old, do the same shit, my boy. You feel me? I do plan on going to the range tomorrow. I'm gonna get that 308 out. I'm gonna take this out. Now, check out my holster. I just, made from Hidden Hybrid holsters. Bam. That's pretty dope. Because Hidden Hybrid holsters don't offer the arm mark cut with the TLR1, so I cut into the holster myself, man. Subscribe to the channel. We out.